Welcome, curious minds. You are about to witness the most powerful force in our solar system. A force that gives life, and can take it away. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of our universe. Stay with us. The sun is about to speak. Opening, dramatic tone. It is the bringer of life, the source of all energy on Earth. Every sunrise, every ray of warmth, every breath we take, owes its existence to this blazing sphere of nuclear fire. But what if I told you that same life-giver holds the power to destroy everything we know? This is the story of the sun's invisible wrath. This is the story of solar flares. Educational tone. At the heart of our sun, temperatures reach 15 million degrees Celsius. Here, hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing unimaginable energy. This energy takes thousands of years to reach the surface, battling through dense plasma and powerful magnetic fields. But the sun is not uniform. It is a storm of magnetism, twisted, tangled, and volatile. And when these magnetic fields snap, the sun explodes. Intense, building excitement. A solar flare is the most powerful explosion in our solar system. In minutes, it releases energy equivalent to 10 million atomic bombs simultaneously. Magnetic energy, stored for days or weeks, suddenly snaps and reconnects. The result? A burst of radiation across the entire electromagnetic spectrum. X-rays, ultraviolet, gamma rays, and visible light, all erupting into space at the speed of light. What takes the sun thousands of years to create, it releases in an instant. Ominous, warning tone. But the flare is just the beginning. Often, it triggers something far more dangerous. The coronal mass ejection, or CME. Billions of tons of superheated plasma, ripped from the sun's atmosphere, hurled into space at millions of kilometers per hour. If Earth lies in its path, we face something called a geomagnetic storm. And in our modern world of satellites and electronics, that is a threat we cannot ignore. Historical, dramatic. September 1st, 1859. British astronomer Richard Carrington observes the most intense geomagnetic storm ever recorded. Telegraph systems fail across Europe and America. Shocks electrocute operators. Papers catch fire in telegraph offices. The northern lights appear in Hawaii and Cuba. People in the Caribbean read newspapers by the aurora's light. It was beautiful and terrifying. If this happened today, with our satellites, internet, and power grids, the damage would be measured in trillions of dollars. It has happened before. It will happen again. Urgent, contemporary. July 23, 2012. A solar storm comparable to the 1859 Carrington Event erupts from the sun. It crosses Earth's orbit. Just 9 days after our planet passed that point, we missed it by a hair's breadth. NASA estimates, if it had struck Earth, the global recovery time would have been 4 to 10 years. No GPS. No reliable electricity. Limited communication. Trillions in damages. We were lucky. But luck is not a strategy. Hopeful, empowering. But we are not defenseless. Today, satellites like Scaver watch the sun from a million miles away, giving us early warnings. The Solar Dynamics Observatory captures high-definition images of solar activity, predicting storms before they reach us. Engineers are hardening power grids. Governments are creating backup systems. Knowledge is our shield. Preparation is our defense. The sun will flare again. But next time, we will be ready. Inspirational, reflective. We live in the atmosphere of a star. It gives us life. It challenges our existence. The solar flare reminds us that we are part of something larger, something powerful and wild. But it also reminds us of what makes us human. Our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our will to survive. The sun will keep burning for 5 billion years. And as long as we keep looking up, keep learning, keep preparing, humanity will endure. This is not the end of our story. This is just the beginning. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the heart of our star. If this opened your eyes to the power above us, hit that like button. Want more cosmic stories? Subscribe and ring the bell. Your thoughts matter. Drop a comment below. What scares you more, solar flares or black holes? Until next time, keep looking up. The universe is waiting. Goodbye, for now.